Guys, this is my husband. He having severe catarrh and cough, so I don't know what to do. And he want to go out. I told him not to go out. Said as you manage that he have urgent something to carry on. Now he said he wants to go and give his clothes to dry to clean. I can see the clothes that he is with, the trouser. And now he want to wear his shoe. He was looking some of his socks. Out of five socks that he had, no one. We don't even see anyone. That's his son. Wey resemble Papa born me. And he use guys carry all the whole socks. And the funny thing, once that my son make use of his daddy's socks, he has his own, but you find it difficult to wash it. Now the daddy want to go out now. He was looking for socks to use for shoe wey he wan wear. Now I was telling him to manage these standards now. That by the way, the standards go for the clothes. It's good for the match the clothes that he want to wear, and it's not going far. It's okay. Now he has wore the standards now. He's about going out now. He's wearing the second leg. So he told me to prepare something for him. So he's now going out. Look at the face swell up. Child, I pity this my husband.